Hello everyone, and welcome to another video in my channel. In this video, I have a fine Diophantine equation to solve. 1 over x plus 1 over y is equal to 1 over 13. We are told that x is greater than 0 and y is greater than 0. We are required to find the value of x plus y. What are we going to do to solve a problem like this, where we have two unknown variables and one equation? Equations like these are called Diophantine equation, and we normally solve for integer values. Before I proceed, I would like you to do me a favor. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so, or if you are new to this channel, and then leave a comment in the comment section. I would also like you to share this video to your loved ones, because sharing is love and love doesn't cost a thing. And to solve the problem, I'm going to convert these two separate fractions into a fraction. So I have 1 over x plus 1 over y is equal to 1 over 13. Now, the LCM of the denominators is xy. Now, xy divided by x will give us y, and y times 1 is y. Then xy divided by y will give us x times 1 is x, equals to 1 over 13. The next thing is to cross multiply. If we cross multiply, 13 will multiply this, that is 13 times x plus y equals to xy will multiply 1, xy. Let's open this bracket. So we have 13x plus 13y is equal to xy. Now let's move all the unknowns to one side. Of course, every of the terms here contain unknown variable. So we have xy, then minus 13x, then minus 13y is equal to 0. The next thing for me to do is to factorize. For me to factorize, I need to add and subtract a perfect square. And that perfect square should be the square of 13, which is 169. So if I add and subtract 169 from both sides, it becomes xy minus 13x minus 13y plus 169 minus 169 is equal to 169 minus 169 will still give us 0. Now let me group these two and then these two. Then I will take this one to this side. So in this first bracket, x is common, remaining y minus 13. In the second one, minus 13 is common, remaining y minus 13. Then move this one to this side, that is 169. These two brackets are the same. I will take one, y minus 13, and then put this other one in a bracket, x minus 13, equals to 169. Now, the next thing I need to do is to split 169 into its factors. 169 can be split into 169 times 1, or we can split it into 1 times 169. Another one is 13 times 13 is 169. Now, the next thing we need to do is to equate each of these brackets to each of the factors of 169. And I'll start with y minus 13 is equal to 169. And then x minus 13 is equal to 1. So if I add 13 to both sides, I have y equals to 169 plus 13. And add 13 to both sides, x equals to 1 plus 13. Y equals to, this is 182, and x equals to 14. So x plus y in this case will give us 182 plus 14, which is, if we add it, this is 6 and this is 9, 196. Next is to equate each of the brackets to 1 and 169. So y minus 13 equals to 1, and x minus 13 equals to 169. So y equals to 14 and x equals to 182. So x plus y is still the same thing as 196. Again, and lastly, we'll equate these terms in the brackets to 13 and 13. So I have y minus 13 is equal to 13 and x minus 13 is equal to 13. So y equals to 26 and x equals to 26 also. Then x plus y will give us 26 plus 26, which is 52.